Hi, welcome. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to use Writecream AI image generation feature to generate high quality image quickly. So let's get started. So the first step is log into your Writecream account, and if you don't have one yet, you can also sign up on their website for free. Once you logged in, you will find the dashboard menu on the screen. Now click on the image generation feature. Next, you will be promoted to input a description of the image you like to generate. Be as detailed as possible to get the best result. Once everything is set, simply click the generate image button and let the AI do its magic. Now once the AI generated your image, review it, and if you are happy with the result, click the download button to save it to your device. And that's it. You have successfully used Writecream AI image generation feature. Thanks for watching and happy creating with Writecream.